Okay, so in this one, we're asked to prove one of the De Morgan's laws, and I have the one I need to do for C is not P or Q is logically equivalent to P and not Q. Okay, so I'm going to start doing my truth table. What I do is I write out, I have P, Q. I have a couple of not P's and I have a not Q, so I'm going to do that. Not P, not Q. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this left side first. I'm going to do not P or Q, and then I'll take the negation of that. Okay, and then last, I'll do this side. I'll have P, and I have this column here I can use, so I'll have not Q. Okay. I draw my line to keep everything neat. Okay, so we start off with the basic. We have two propositions. We're going to have 4 lines in total. So true, 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 whoops, false, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, now I take the first column, I have a not P, and everything flips from true to false, false, true, true. And same thing with the Q, not Q becomes false, true, false, true. Okay, so for the not P or Q, I'll take this column and this column. So not P or Q, so I got, and with the disjunction, I need to have at least one of them be true for this to be true. So this is true, this is false, true, and the last one is true. Okay, now what happens is I take this and I'll flip it because I have the negation. So true becomes false, true, false, false. Okay, so for the last one, I have P and not Q. So I have this column that I'll use and this column, and I'll do the conjunction. And with the conjunction, I have to have both of them to be true for this to be true. So I have true and false, that's false. I have true and true, that's good, that's true. False and false, that's false. And lastly, false and true, that's false. Okay, so I needed to show that this was logically equivalent. So the columns here and here are the same. Okay, so since the columns of not P or Q and P and not Q are the same truth values, therefore not P or Q is logically equivalent to P and not Q.